My family loves chicken nuggets. They also love chicken bacon ranch sandwiches. So I'm gonna mash up nuggets and sandwiches and make chicken nugget bacon ranch clubs. Talk about a mashup from heaven. I'm making the breading for the chicken nuggets now, and I'm starting with 2 eggs, and I'll add about 2 tablespoons of water, just a simple egg wash, and I'll beat these together. Now the breading for the nuggets is gonna be panko crumbs, which are nice and crisp. You can also use regular breadcrumbs or seasoned breadcrumbs, whatever you have in your pantry. Now I'm gonna make a flour mixture. And when you're doing quick and easy recipes, it's nice to just make things in a bag or bowl and just toss everything together. So I'm gonna add a cup of flour, and then a tablespoon of seasoned salt. This is quite a bit of flour, so it needs seasoning. A favorite seasoning in our house is lemon pepper, so I'll add about a 1/4 teaspoon. And then back to the salt and pepper. And rather than grab a clean spoon, you can just kind of gather it up and shake it until it's all combined. All right. Now I've already got the chicken ready. I cut 2 chicken breasts into little nugget bites, and I'm gonna drop it right into the bag. And then I'm gonna seal it this time because I don't want the flour mixture going everywhere. I always leave a little bit of air in the bag, and then I can shake it up, think about my to-do list for the day. It takes a minute just to get everything coated. All right, these nuggets are perfectly coated in this flour. So I'm gonna drop them quickly into the egg wash and then quickly into the crumbs. All right, now while my fingers are still a mess, I'm gonna go ahead and drop half of the nuggets into a pot of oil. Okay, believe it or not, this first batch of chicken nuggets are ready to come out. Look how quickly those cooked. And now I'll put the rest of them in. I'll use the spatula this time since my hands are clean. Okay, I'm gonna let this second batch keep cooking, and I'm gonna get the stuff ready for the sandwiches. I've got some beautiful red tomatoes, and I'll just slice them up. Now I've also got a bunch of bacon, and I'm gonna use them in halves, so I just cut a bunch of slices in half. And then I have some beautiful leaves of butter lettuce. Okay, that's 6 leaves. This is perfect. Okay, now I'm ready to build the sandwich. I'm very excited. For the bread, I'm using a Kaiser roll. I'll spoon on some ranch first. So you can use your own, or you can use the bottled stuff. Then a leaf of lettuce, 4 half slices of bacon. All right, now I'm gonna add some nuggets. Now I wanted to add some pickles to the mix, and I'm gonna put those right on top of the chicken, just some dill pickle slices. All right, and then I'm gonna drizzle on just a little bit more ranch. I like to drizzle it on the chicken and pickles. A couple of tomato slices, and then ketchup on the top bun. Then the lid goes on, and I'm gonna make 5 more.